Alright, in this video I'm going to install the front pivot pin on my lower. You need the pivot pin of your choice. You always know that it's the front one because it's the longer of the two and it is flat on one side. These particular ones do not sit flush. This is an example of a rear one that sits flush. This will be easier to just pop out. I have the D10 pin, the spring. I have the Brownling's pivot pin install tool, which saves a lot of irritation, and a small Allen wrench. So first thing we're going to do is put the spring in the hole. I'll line the hole up with the spring. I'm going to use my Allen wrench. Now what I'm going to do, slide the pin. You heard it snap. When a pin is new, it's pretty tough to get in and out until it kind of wears itself in. So what I'll do is very carefully use a mallet and pop it through. And then these ones, I'll go ahead and push it back through. Until you get it worked in and it gets itself broken in, then it'll open and close easily. And pivot pin is now installed on the front.